Good morning students. This is 11th standard botany video class, video 2. In this video, we are going to continue the topic plant kingdom. Dear students, in the previous video class, we have seen the general characteristic feature of plant kingdom, classification of plant kingdom, that is cryptogame and phanerogame. Cryptogame divided into algae, fungi and bryophytes. Then phanerogame divided into gymnosperm and angiosperm. Then we have started the broad subdivision of cryptogame, that is algae. Algae are green color organism which is present in most probably marine and freshwater habitat. Then the structure is also showing the different mode of habit and habitat. Some of them filamentous, some of them are thalli, some of them tubular like, someone is leaf like, some are live in the form of colonies. So these are all the different structural organization of algae we have seen in the previous video class. And also we have started the vegetative reproduction in algae. That means the vegetative reproduction is taken place by the different methods, that is binary fission, fragmentation, akinete formation, chamaedospore formation during unfavorable condition. The entire organism which is modified into different forms and different activities to develop the new individual. That is said to be vegetative reproduction in algae. Up to this only we have seen in the previous video class. Today in this video we are going to see the asexual and sexual mode of reproduction in algae, and also one of the life cycle of algae named Oedogonium and Chara. Dear students, algae reproduces by three mode of reproduction: vegetative, asexual and sexual mode of reproduction. Vegetative reproduction taken place in different modes. One is the fission. In unicellular forms, the cell divides mitotically and produce two daughter cells is known as binary fission. Example, Chlamydomonas. Fragmentation, the plant body which is divided into number of pieces. Each pieces are known as fragments. These fragments are developed into a new individual which is seen in the Spirogyra algae. Here, the fragments of parent thallus grow into a new individual. Example, they given Helothrix. Budding, a lateral bud is formed on the surface of an algae thallus. Example, Protosiphon, which helps in the reproduction. Then, Spacilaria plant, they are producing the wedge-shaped modified branch organ is known as bulbils. Then, in Phytophthora, they are produced the thick-walled spores, which meant for the vegetative reproduction, and germinate during the favorable condition is known as akinete formation. Then some plants which are producing tuber-like substances, that is in Chara, the structures found in the root-like region is known as rhizoids in the lower nodes, which stores the food material, and the shape may be modified into tuber. So these are all the different vegetative reproduction in algae. Next, asexual reproduction in algae. It is taken place by the formation of different spores One is zoospores in Ulothrix and Eudogonium. Aplanospore, that is thin-walled non-motile spores, example Vaucheria. Next one, autospores. The spores which look similar to the parental one, example Chlorella. Hypnospore, that is thick-walled aplanospores, example Chlamydomonas nivalis. Tetraspores, that is the plant body is diploid in Polycyponia, produce haploid spores, that is 4 haploid spores after meiotic cell division. That is said to be tetraspore. So these are all the different types of asexual method. Zoospore, aplanospores, autospores, hypnospore, tetraspore. So each and every spores which are produced during unfavorable condition, during favorable condition it is developed into a new individual in various algal organs, showing the asexual mode of reproduction. Next, we are going to see the sexual reproduction in algae. It is divided into 3 types: isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. First one, iso, which means similar gametes. The shape and function of the gamete is similar. That is known as isogamy. So fusion of morphologically, that means external character, and physiologically, that means function, are similar. Those gametes are known as isogamy. Then anisogamy, fusion of either morphologically, that means externally, or physiologically, functionally dissimilar gametes. Either it may be dissimilar in morphological character or in physiological character. Those gametes are fusion together to form a zygote is known as anisogamy. Next one, oogamy, both morphological and physiological dissimilar gametes. External character also dissimilar. Functional character is also dissimilar. Those gametes are fused together to form a zygote is known as oogamy. So these are all the 3 types of asexual reproduction. Iso, that means both morphology and physiology similar gametes are fused together. Anisogamy, either morphology or physiological gametes, dissimilar gametes fused together. Oogamy, both physiology and morphologically dissimilar gametes are fused together. Dear students, what is isogamy, what is anisogamy, and what is oogamy is the important 2-mark question. First one, both are similar. Second one, any one of them is dissimilar. Last one, both of them are dissimilar. That is iso, aniso and oogamy. Dear students, see the diagram which are showing different mode of asexual reproduction by the formation of zoospore and also different methods of sexual reproduction, aniso, iso and oogamy. See the first one, fragmentation process. This is the Spirogyra thallus. Due to natural calamities or water flow, the plant body divided into number of pieces known as fragments. Each fragments developed into a new Spirogyra algae. That process is called fragmentation. Second one, zoospore formation in Gladophora. That is inner side of the plant body which are forming zoospores with the flagella. Once the zoospores are formed inner side of the cell, the wall breaks and liberate the zoospore outside. These zoospore developed into a new individual. That is said to be zoospore formation in algae. Next one, sexual reproduction, isogamy. See the gametes. Morphologically, the shape and the size also similar. Both of them having the two flagella. The function is also similar. That type of gametes are fused together. That method is called isogamy. Next one, anisogamy. Either morphologically or physiologically dissimilar gametes. See the diagram. They are morphologically dissimilar. The shape may be vary. One of the gamete is smaller in size. Another one is the larger in size. So the size is said to be the external character. So in this fusion of gametes showing dissimilar character in the morphological activities. That is said to be anisogamy. What is anisogamy? Fusion of either physiologically or morphologically dissimilar gametes. Next one, oogamy. Both morphologically and physiologically dissimilar gametes. See the small gametes, it has the flagella. So that gamete has the capacity to move from one place to another place. That is, shape is also smaller, that is morphological. It has a flagella. Flagella function means what is that one? Movement, isn't it? So the function also dissimilar in one gamete. See the another large gamete, absence of flagella. So it is fixed into the one region, unable to move. Okay, that is the physiological one. Then see the shape of the gamete, which is larger in size. That is morphological character. So both physiological as well as morphologically dissimilar gametes fused together, known as oogamy. The last one is a Spirogyra plant. Is an algae which are showing different method of sexual reproduction is known as scalariform conjugation. Scalariform, which means ladder. Ladder na eni, isn't it? So here, two filament is a filamented shaped alga. Two filamented shapes are Spirogyra or Zygnema. Both of them are different organism showing scalariform conjugation. Zygnema is also filamentous form. Two different plants are lie side by side and their walls are fused together by producing the projection. The cell wall partition disintegrate. One of the nucleus or cell content which moves to the another filament and fuse together a newly formed zygote. This zygote developed into a new Zygnema and Spirogyra filament. That is the another sexual method of algae, that is scalariform conjugation. Dear students, see the do you know paragraph. The oldest record of alga is Grypania. Is the oldest algae. Discovered in the banded iron formation of northern Michigan and dated to approximately 2100 Ma. That means this is the oldest alga which was first discovered in the region is northern Michigan. The discovered date is approximately 2100 Ma. This is the information they are given, that one. That means it is the oldest alga. Dear students, next we are going to see the classification of alga. So classification of alga is proposed by the scientist F.E. Fritsch based upon the pigmentation present in the alga, types of a flagella, how they are storing the reserved food material, thallus structure and reproduction. F.A. Fritsch classify the algae into different form. He published his classification in the book named The Structure and Reproduction of Algae in the year 1935. He classified algae into 11 classes, namely Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Bacillariophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, Chloromonodineae, Euglenophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae and Cyanophyceae. So these are all the 11 classes of algae classified by the scientist F.A. Fritsch. Out of these 11 classes, we are going to see the 3 important classes and their salient features, that is Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Dear students, see the paragraph. Based upon the pigmentation, types of flagella, thallus structure and reproduction, F.A. Fritsch classified algae into 11 classes and he published his classification in the book named The Structure and Reproduction of the Algae in the year 1935. It's the important 1-mark question. It is divided into 11 classes: Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Bacillariophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, Chloromonodineae, Euglenophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae and Cyanophyceae. So out of these 11 classes, we are going to see 3 important classes: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae. Their salient feature, reproductive nature, thallus structure, pigmentation process, types of flagella, reserved food material. It's very important 5-mark question. Write the salient feature of Chlorophyceae. Write the salient feature of Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. It's important 5-mark question. One of the question will come for the question paper. So kindly note it down in your textbook as an important mark. Dear students, first we are going to see salient feature of Chlorophyceae. Dear students, a green color pigment is known as chlorophyll. We all know that one. The alga which contains the green color pigment belongs to the class Chlorophyceae, and also they are commonly known as green alga. What is that one? Green alga. Most of the species are present in the freshwater and marine water. Freshwater, example Spirogyra. Marine water or sea water, example Alva. Some of the algae which are living on the land region, that is said to be terrestrial alga, example Trentifolia. So this is the different green alga and their habitat, living in the freshwater, marine and land region. They are commonly known as green alga. Next, these green algae organisms are showing different shape of the chloroplast. What is chloroplast? It is a cell organelle which are having the green color pigment is known as chlorophyll. So you already studied in the first lesson chloroplast, isn't it? It's a green color pigment presented cell organelle. So the shape of the chloroplasts vary in different green alga. In Chlamydomonas, it is cup-shaped chloroplast. In Chara, it is discoid chloroplast. In Ulothrix, it is girdle shape. Oedogonium, it is reticulate. Spirogyra, it is spiral. Stellate, that means star shape in Zygnema. Plate-like in Mogotia. So these are all the different shape of the chloroplast. Dear students, see the diagram. First diagram is the Spirogyra. At the center they are having the spring-shaped structure which is green in color. Is known as spiral-shaped chloroplast. Dear students, see the diagram. This is the Oedogonium alga. A single filament. This is the single cell enlarged. That one we will see later. The chloroplast, it's look like in the form of net-like structure or reticulate in Oedogonium. See the chloroplast, it is arranged in the form of what is that one? Net-like structure. That is said to be reticulate chloroplast in Oedogonium. Dear students, see the diagram of chlorella and Chlamydomonas. They are having the cup-shaped chloroplast in Chlamydomonas and chlorella. See the Chlamydomonas, the diagram which is seen in the green color shape is known as the chloroplast, which is cup-shaped. Likewise, in chlorella is also they are showing the cup-shaped chloroplast. So dear students, the Oedogonium which are showing reticulate or net-like chloroplast which is seen in different shapes of the chloroplast present in the algae. Dear students, this chloroplast of different shapes contains the green color pigment, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are the major photosynthetic pigments present in the algae, that is green algae. They have stored the food material in a oval shaped body which is present in the chloroplast is known as pyrenoid, and they stores the food material. Not only the food material, they are stores protein content also. That means they store starch and protein food material in the pyrenoid. The cell wall of the green algae is made up of cellulose, is the inner layer, and the outer layer is made up of with pectin. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation and asexual reproduction by the production of zoospore, aplanospores and acinids. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. Example of green algae are chlorella, Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Spirogyra, Ulothrix, Chara and Alva. So dear students, this is the characteristic feature of green algae. They stores the food material in the oval shaped structure is known as pyrenoid. Stores starch and protein content. They are having the photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction by zoospore, aplanospore and acinids. Sexual reproduction by isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. Dear students, see the Chlamydomonas diagram. A cup-shaped chloroplast is present. Inner side of the chloroplast, they are having oval-shaped body is known as pyrenoid. So this pyrenoid only stores the reserved food material in the form of starch and protein. Dear students, the next class is Phaeophyceae. They are known as red algae. Most of the algae which are found in the marine habitat. Only one algae named Plurocladia lives in the fresh water. The plant body look like in the form of hair-like outgrowth known as filamentous. Example, Ectocarpus. In another algae, it is frond-like, that means leaf-like. Example, Dictyota. And some other look like giant kelp. That means it's look like in the form of normal plant with root-like, leaf-like, stem-like organ is known as giant alga. Example, Laminaria and Macrocystis. So the thallus body is differentiated into leaf-like photosynthetic part is known as frond. Stalk-like structure is called stipe. And a hold fast cell which is attached to the substratum. So this is the thallus structure of Rhodophyceae algae, that is red algae. Some of them are filamentous, some of them are leaf-like, some of them are giant kelp, but the thallus, that is plant body, differentiated into a leaf-like organ is known as frond, stalk-like structure is known as stipe, and the hold fast cell which is attached to the substratum. It attached to the thallus into the substratum. Dear students, the Paleophyceae members are otherwise known as brown algae. Sorry, I told you red algae. They are containing the different pigments in their plant body. That is, the pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoid and xanthophyll. So due to the presentation of fucoxanthin, they are showing in the form of golden brown color pigment. So the shades of the plant body look like from olive green to brown to the algal members of this group. So they are having different kinds of pigments, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoid and xanthophyll. And also they are having the golden brown color pigment known as fucoxanthin. So this fucoxanthin which gives shade of the color from olive green to brown to the algal member of this group. They have stored the food material in the form of mannitol and laminarian. They are having the motile reproductive structure of spores, that is with the flagella. Motile means they are moving from one place to another place. So zoospores are spores with the flagella. The flagella are unequal in length. Among these two flagella, one is the whiplash type, another one is the tinsel type. So these are all the two type of flagella which is seen in the brown algae. And also the length is also unequal. Then sexual reproduction taken place by isogamy and oogamy. Most probably they are showing oogamous type of reproduction. They are showing two mode of generation, gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase. So that generation is known as isomorphic, similar, heteromorphic, different morphological character, or diplontic, that means two phases, sporophytic phase and gametophytic phase. Example for this group is Sargassum, Laminaria, Fucus and Dictyota. So this is said to be the general characteristic feature of Paleophyceae or brown algae. Dear students, see the diagram. A brown color shaped structure due to the pigment named fucoxanthin, which produce color from olive green to brown. The plant body is look like in the form of frond like leaf மாதிரி இருக்கு பாருங்க. That is said to be fucus. Sargassum, the plant body is divided into leaf like, root like, stem like structure that is named as giant kelp. Example, Sargassum. So this is said to be the characteristic feature of class Phaeophyceae or brown algae. Dear students, next one, Rhodophyceae, otherwise named as red algae. Most of them are present in the sea water, that is marine. The thallus, which is made up of many cells, that is multicellular. The structure also very large, that is said to be macroscopic, showing different form. Out of this, one of the Rhodophycean algae named Porphyridium is the unicellular form. Others are multicellular and macroscopic. Some of the red algae are filamentous or hair-like outgrowth. Example, Goniotrichum. Some of them are ribbon-like. Example, Porphyra. So these are all the different thallus nature of the red algae. Then another two red algae named Corallina and Lithothaminon are impregnate with lime and form coral leaf. That means the plant body is made up of with calcium carbonate, that is lime. So they are living in the marine water, which forms the region is known as coral reef. They are having the green color pigment known as chlorophyll A. Apart from that, they are having phycoerythrin or phycoerythrin. That means R means belongs to the Rhodophyceae member R, which contains phycoerythrin, and R phycoxanthin are the photosynthetic pigments. Why they are variated R phycoerythrin or phycoxanthin? Sorry, phycocyanin. That means in some of the algal members, they are having phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. These members is also having the phycoerythrin and cyanin. That's why they variated R, Rhodophycean algae contains phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. There is a symbol for R. 11 classes of algae is there according to F. E. Fritsch. Other algal classes also containing these kinds of pigments. To vary the Rhodophyceae members, they have written R phycoerythrin and R phycocyanin. So dear students, phycoerythrin and phycocyanin are the photosynthetic pigments present in the Rhodophyceae members. Asexual reproduction takes place by monospores, neutral spores and tetraspores. The storage food material is Floridian starch. Dear students, kindly note it down. Chlorophyceae, the storage food material is pyrenide. Phaeophyceae, they are storing the mannitol and laminarian starch. Rhodophyceae members, they are storing the Floridian starch. Asexual reproduction is oogamous. They are producing two types of sex organ. Male sex organ is known as spermatangium, which produces spermatium. Female sex organs are called corpogonium. The spermatium or male gamete is carried away by the water current and fuses with the egg nucleus of Carpogonium to form zygote. The zygote developed into a corpospore which is diploid. Due to meiotic cell division, they are producing 4 haploid corpospore formation. So that this rhodophycean algae members which are showing the alternative generation, that is gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase. Example, Ceramium, Polysiphonia, Gelidium, Cryptonemia and Gigartina. So this is the characteristic feature of rhodophycean algae. Dear students, up to this we have seen different salient feature of 3 classes: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae otherwise known as green algae, Phaeophyceae known as brown algae, Rhodophyceae known as red algae. Then the comparative study of classification of algae is given here. That is the 11 classes based upon the F.E. Fritsch. First one, Chlorophyceae, pigments, flagella and reserved food material. The chlorophyll A, B, carotenoid and xanthophyll. Flagella 1, 2 and 4 are more equal anterior whiplash flagella. Then the reserved food material is starch. Xanthophyceae, chlorophyll A and B, carotenoid xanthophyll. 2 unequal flagella. Anterior one is tinsel type and the posterior one is anterior one is tinsel and one whiplash. Both of them present in the anterior side only. One type is tinsel, another one is the whiplash. Reserved food material, fats and leucocin. Chrysophyceae, chlorophyll A, B and carotenoid. 1 or 2 unequal or equal. Anterior, both whiplash or one whiplash and one tinsel. Oils and leucocin. Bacillariophyceae, chlorophyll A and C, carotenoid. Only one type of flagella present in the anterior side. Type is tinsel, present in the male gamete. Reserved food material, leucocin and fat. Cryptophyceae, chlorophyll A, C, carotenoid and xanthophyll. Unequal, anterior in position. Both the tinsel type of flagella. Starch is the storied food material. Dinophyceae, chlorophyll A, C, carotenoid and xanthophyll. 2 unequal, whiplash type of flagella in different plane. Starch and oil are reserved food material. Chloromonadinae, chlorophyll A, B, carotenoid and xanthophyll. 2 equal flagella. Oil is the reserved food material. Euglenophyceae, chlorophyll A and B. 1 or 2 anterior tinsel type of flagella. Fats and paramylon. Phaeophyceae, chlorophyll A and C, xanthophyll. 2 unequal. One is the whiplash, another one is the tinsel type of flagella. Laminarian and mannitol, starch and fat. Rhodophyceae, chlorophyll A or phycroerythrin. Absence of flagella. Reserved food material is Floridian starch. Cyanophyceae, chlorophyll A, carotenoid, phycocyanin, allophycocyanin, flagella absent, cyanophycean starch. So this is the 11 classes of algae under their characteristic feature based upon the pigments, flagella and reserved food material. Dear students, up to this we have seen classification of algae, 11 classes of algae, 3 classes of algae under the salient feature, Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae, and also the thallus nature, cell structure, pigment structure, reproductive structure. Dear students, I hope have you all understood different classes of algae and the salient feature. If you are having any doubt, please ask me over phone because this is the new topic. Remaining, we will see in the next video class. God bless you. All the best, children.